Hello everyone. In the last session, I showed you how the TestLid package structure is defined. In this video, I'm going to walk you through in detail of how the test script, object repository, user code, and reports are structured and differ from each other. First, let me expand this directory tree. Here's folder structure with all scripts. Whenever a test script is recorded, it generates a CSV file in this folder. This is a recorded test script with all the steps listed in this script, from steps 1 through the end. All actions that were performed during the recording are captured in this script, with each step number listed in the file. The second column indicates the source, which is usually auto for recorded steps, and I will come back to this column in a bit. The third column is the action details, e.g. a page is open, followed by a click on register, next followed by entries on the page, click of a button, etc. The fourth column is the object reference ID that houses the property of the object and is mapped with action, e.g. text box and/or radio button and/or drop-down, etc. The last column is the data, or input by a user, e.g. user ID or password. If the step has no input, this field will show NA, for not applicable. Now let's look at the source column in detail. The second column, i.e. the source, is auto for the recorded steps and user code for user-injected custom code. To add user code, let's click on Add Row, upon which one is prompted for the action name. Let's call it Custom1. Here is a new file, newtools.java. The naming convention is consistent with the script name, that is, the code behind the recorded script. Upon opening the newtools.java file, you see the user code method stubs have been generated inside this file. Now, whatever user code one wants to write can be written inside these methods. When the script is executed, it will run in the sequence specified in the CSV list we saw before, and the user code will be executed in the same sequence specified. Insert row button can be used to insert user code between steps. An add row button will add the user code step at the end of the script. The delete row button will delete that particular row in the sequence. Each script will have the same user code file over here. Now let's look at object repository. Object repository name will be the same as the script name. Example, for new tours script, we will have object repository that ends in new tours. Let's look at what resides in the repository. We can see that all object repository IDs are mapped with the navigation path. Locate by column will display the method which is used to locate the element, e.g. xpath, id, etc. Upon execution of the script, the results are captured in the report section. Summary report shows the number of test cases and steps executed, execution time with start and end timestamps. Reports are intuitive, easy to navigate, and drill through. This completes the overview about test scripts, object repository, user code, and reports. In the next session, we will show you how to record a script using different browsers.